Okay, guys, tonight I'm trying to just ignore my blue lips. Now we're going outside to butter landing flycatch. Right? Say hi, Turkey. Hi. Yeah. He is kind of crazy. So yeah.
Hey, come on. We'll come out real quick because I think it's gonna start raining.
Don't see any though.
Well, keep an eye out. Elliot's not through his house, so
I'll keep this eye out.
we'll keep that eye. Come on, that's your lightning bug eye.
Yep. My lightning bug senses are tingling.
Oh, yeah.
They're in the backyard.
No, we're not going in the backyard.
Hello, guys. As you can see, I'm outside. Just ignore the thunder. As you can see, this is Sharky out here. Hi. We're just exploring the yard. I caught a leaf. Okay, anyways, as I was saying, this is my house. It's pretty, maybe. Why is it so dark over here? I can barely see myself. Okay, I can kind of see me. Okay, now I can see me good. Okay, now I can see me good. Oh my god. Now it's not even like glitching. I mean like, I saw something, but it was nothing. It was nothing. Guys, look at my house right now. My house. Yeah. Anyway, guys, we're gonna end this video right here. If you want to see more Jake gaming, you can hit that like and subscribe button, maybe. Bye.